Mr. Wright here. We're going to look at how to use the difference method to extend a sequence. Let's start with the question that I've called question 0, which has a sequence which goes 7, 11, 15, 19. Looking at that and using the difference method, I work out the difference between each of the terms, 7 to 11, 11 to 15, 15 to 19. The difference is 4 each time, so I can extend the sequence by adding 4 onto 19 to give me 23, and then adding 4 on again to give me the next term of 27. And I can continue to extend the sequence in that way. Let's have a look at question 1. Now, question 1 has a sequence that goes like this: 1, 3, 8, 16, 27, 41. Again, I'm going to use the difference method. You might like to pause the film and have a go before me. Right, 1 to 3, that's plus 2. 3 to 8, it's plus 5. 8 to 16 is plus 8. 16 to 27, plus 11. And 27 to 41 is plus 14. Now, to help me see what's going on here, I'm going to find the difference of the differences. From plus 2 to plus 5, that's plus 3, plus another 3, plus another 3, plus another 3. Right. So if I want to find the term which comes after 41, I'm going to plus 3 on here, which is going to make this plus 14 a plus 17, which means that this term is going to be 41 plus 17, which is 58. If I wanted to continue the sequence, I could have another plus 3 here to give me a plus 20 here to give me 78 there, and so on. Right, here's number 2. The sequence is 1, 6, 9, 10, 9, 6. Perhaps pause the film, find the differences between those terms and see what you can figure out, and then see how I do it. Okay, so the differences between the terms, we've got plus 5 here, then I've got plus 3, then I've got 1, plus 1, now I've got minus 1 and minus 3. Okay, well, let's find the difference between the differences. So 5 to minus 3, I've taken away 2. 3 to 1, take away 2. 1 to minus 1, take away 2. Minus 1 to minus 3, take away 2. Now I can see what's going on. So to find this term and this term, I'm going to need a minus 2 here. Minus 3 take away 2 is minus 5. So 6 minus 5 gives me 1. And now to find the next one, I'm going to minus 2 here. Minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. 1 take away 7 is minus 6. All right, let's try number 3. Here's the sequence for number 3. 1, minus 4, minus 7, minus 8, minus 7, and minus 4. Let's start by finding the differences between those terms and then perhaps the difference of the differences. Pause the film and have a go. Okay, from 1 to minus 4, I've taken away 5. Now I'm taking away 3, then taking away 1. Now I'm adding 1, and now I'm adding 3. Okay, let's find the difference between the differences. From minus 5 to minus 3, I've added 2. From minus 3 to plus 1, I've added 2. From minus 1 to plus 1, I've added 2. From plus 1 to plus 3, I've added 2. That's making sense now. I need to find this term and this term. So I've got plus 3. I've got a differences of plus 2 along here. So plus 3 plus 2 gives me plus 5. So minus 4 plus 5 is 1. Right, let's carry on the plus 2s along the bottom. Plus 5 plus 2 is plus 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. There we go. So that is how to find the next terms of a sequence using the difference method. If you found the film useful, please hit like.